Alligators are opportunistic, so they prey on many things such as fish, other reptiles, birds, and mammals. In truth, a hungry alligator will eat just about anything. However, you may be wondering, what eats an alligator? Adult alligators are apex predators, so there are very few things that will naturally prey on them. Baby alligators and smaller alligators, on the other hand, have many predators. Alligators are considered c-selectors. This means that they have a ton of offspring, but many of them will not survive. Their eggs and their babies are extremely vulnerable to being preyed on. It is not until they get to be around 24 to 30 inches long that they themselves become the predators. Let's look at the top 10 predators that prey on alligators. Round 1. Humans. Humans are probably the number one threat to alligators. Alligator meat is high in protein and low on fat. This makes them very healthy for human consumption. However, most alligator meat in America is legally sourced from alligator farms. Alligator has been eaten in southern states for hundreds of years and has been considered a delicacy. I've tried alligator burger, and to me it tastes much like chicken, but with a bit of a fishy flavor. Alligator eggs are also considered a delicacy and are eaten by humans. Many companies only use the tails of the alligators, and some companies make the meat into dog food. Round 2. Other alligators. The next biggest predator to an alligator is another alligator. You heard that right. Alligators can be cannibalistic. Many of the baby alligators that do not make it in the wild are eaten by larger alligators. Baby alligators are cannibalized at a rate of around 7%. A young alligator is just the right size for a larger one to feed on. Because alligators are c-selectors and have many offspring, cannibalization of the young helps keep their population stable. The ones that do make it out alive become extremely adaptable to survival. Round 3. Large birds. Large birds such as eagles, herons, and egrets prey on small alligators. Young alligators do not have a chance against these winged predators that will swoop down and snatch up a baby alligator within seconds. Raptor birds like eagles have sharp talons that can grab a hold of small animals like alligators, where they are then carried off to a safe spot to be eaten. Herons and egrets share some of the same swampy territories as alligators and eat them as one of their food sources. Round 4. Pythons. Python populations have been growing, and in recent years they have become one of the main predators that prey on alligators in the wild. A python would rather eat a small mammal like a rat because there is less of a threat. However, an alligator can keep them fed for up to 2 months before they must kill again, so the reward is greater. Pythons can get up to 23 feet long and weigh as much as 200 pounds. This makes them a formidable adversary for an alligator. Round 5. Crocodiles. Just like with other alligators, crocodiles also feed on young alligators. They have even been known to kill and eat an adult alligator. This is due to their opportunistic behavior. If a crocodile cannot find something to eat, it will look at other crocodiles and alligators as the next best thing. Sometimes this will come about after a fight between the two, and in the end, the one who wins will eat the other. In Florida, crocodiles and alligators live side by side, and it is the only place in America where the two naturally coexist. Round 6. Raccoons. When we think of raccoons, we mostly think about them diving into trash cans and shuffling by us in the night. However, these creatures are not just the trash pandas that we know and love. They eat alligator eggs and baby alligators as well. Raccoons mostly eat hatchlings and must be very quiet when they raid alligator eggs, in fear that the female alligator nearby will hear them. Once an alligator gets so big, the raccoon becomes the one who is preyed on. Hatchlings are a risky business for raccoons, but they are a risk that they are willing to take. Round 7. Large turtles. Turtles share a lot of the same territory as alligators. You may have even seen videos or pictures of turtles riding on top of alligators. Turtles themselves are a food source, but did you know that large turtles will eat small alligators? Some species of turtles are completely carnivorous and rely on food that they kill themselves, as well as already dead animals that they find while scavenging for food. There is even a species of turtle called the alligator snapping turtle. Round 8. Bigger fish. You probably wouldn't suspect an alligator being eaten by a big fish, but it does happen. Small alligators or hatchlings can be eaten by a large fish, such as largemouth bass. If the two share the same body of water, chances are they will cross paths at some point. A large alligator, on the other hand, will eat a fish instead of the other way around. Round 9. Otters. Otters are smart predators that will catch and eat pretty much anything that they can overpower. They are agile creatures that eat primarily amphibians and fish, but they also have been known to eat beavers, raccoons, and even small alligators. These little guys may look cute, but they can be deadly predators that have strong teeth and a very powerful bite. Round 10. Large cats. Last on our top 10 list is large cats. A large cat, such as a jaguar or leopard, will eat a small alligator. An alligator is an easy meal for a large cat due to them not being able to defend themselves as easily. Cats are much more agile and cunning than an alligator. Nature is full of surprises, and imagine the surprise on an alligator when a large cat comes pouncing down on them from behind. Well, that's it for today. If you find our videos interesting, consider liking them and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, this is Kindred Science.